Hello, beautiful family. Welcome to my channel once again. My name is Church Girl. If you are new to this channel, you know what to do. Subscribe right below and like the video too to give your girl some encouragement. Okay, and please also don't forget to share to your friends and contacts. We are here to talk about bodily pain, okay, especially pain associated with the spine. When we talk about the spine, it's very a delicate situation, especially because all the nerves pass through the spine. Okay, so any problem with one part of the nerves can affect the others. So it's very uncomfortable, especially those who go through surgeries, spine surgeries, or have any problem. There are some women, when they have children, they do request epidural, and after everything, they do have pain. Sometimes in an accident, you go through all the surgeries and everything, but that pain is almost like you have to keep taking pain medication over and over again, and that causes a lot of problems because we do have a high amount of people having kidney issues, and that is related to taking NSAIDs, non-steroid anti-inflammatory drugs. You don't need that. You need the herbs. Let's go to the root cause of the problem, and let's find things around us which does not cause problem to our body. So what I have here right now, let's get to it. What I have here, this is pineapple leaves. Okay, mine is a little bit wilted because I kept it in the fridge so that I'll have it in hand when I'm doing the video. So this is pineapple leaves. When you get pineapple, fresh pineapple, take off the top parts like the crown, remove it, the leaves one by one, and wash it thoroughly because sometimes it does have white stuff on it. I don't want you to get some bugs in it. Wash it thoroughly. And this is coconut husk. This is when you get fresh coconut, remove the skin, okay, remove the back of the coconut. If you can't get the coconut from the tree where everything is intact, you can get one of these in stores, okay, especially those who are in North America. Just remove these parts, okay. It have a lot of, this is what you need, okay. Just remove all these parts, you will get a lot, okay, and use it. If you are not using it, please dry it, okay. This is cotton leaves. If you have the fresh one, that is great. If you don't have it, dry cotton leaves is really good, okay. I'll prefer you to dry it a little bit before you use it, before using it, so that it stays intact. And this is scent leaves, okay. In Ghana, this is known as nunu. This is the fresh scent leaves, okay. So it's what you are going to do is you're gonna take the pineapple leaves, coconut husk, cotton leaves, and the scent leaves. Combine all of them together, boil it, okay. 1 cup boil it for about an hour, for about 45 minutes to 1 hour, okay. 1 cup in the morning, 1 cup in the evening, 1 cup in the morning, 1 cup in the evening. This is gonna do wonders to your body, especially the pineapple skin, okay. This is gonna do wonders to your body. And if you start taking this, you start to notice the pain goes down gradually. You know what I mean? This is not gonna, it has taken a while for the pain to come, or a lot of damages. You need to continue taking this in order for you to make it work, okay. And it has no side effects unless you are allergic to any one of this. It has no side effect at all, okay, unlike the drugs. Also, and this is for spinal problem, bodily aches, back aches, waist pain, on all those things. This works for you also, okay. And I have coconut here. Sometimes people do have pain, bodily pain, okay, that they said, okay, I can't sleep, I have body aches. All you need is coconut husk. If you have coconut husk, like I have here, that is fine. If you have coconut leaves, that is fine. Please, what you do is you're going to crush ginger, put it inside either the coconut leaves or the coconut husk, boil it, and shower with it as once it's warm. Boil it and shower, okay. After showering, get a bucket full of it and just be splashing it on you all over your body and go to bed. The next morning, please don't get it in your face because of the ginger in it to burn your face. The next morning, it's gonna be like as if you have a little bit of Vicks on your skin, like it has like a menthol type of feeling to your skin, and this is gonna make you feel good when you wake up in the morning. Also, if you don't have the coconut husks, you don't have the coconut leaves, please, if you are doing the coconut husk, you can just do the coconut husk alone. If you are doing the coconut leaves, you do the coconut leaves with the ginger too. Also, when you finish eating your coconut, okay, when you crack it open, drink the water, eat the meat. The coconut, the whole coconut, okay, that you throw away, don't throw it away. You can put it in fire. When it becomes so hot, get a bucket of water, you put it inside. Once you put it inside, it's gonna sizzle a little bit, like shh. Okay, that is very good. Go shower with that water, and that is gonna take care of your bodily pain, okay, without taking any meds. Also, this is coconut roots that I have here. Coconut root is very good. You can boil it, okay, add ginger to it and shower with it. Also, sometimes to people, pain are due to, especially in different areas, when people get into fight a lot, fist fights, maybe something happened, the person is swollen all over the face. That's where coconut root comes in, okay. So what you do is you boil coconut roots, add salt, a handful of salt, okay. If you get the original salt without the iodine in it, that's fine. Put a handful of salt in it and use it to take a towel. When you put the towel inside, squeeze the water out a little bit and be massaging the person's body with it. The person can also take shower with it, and that the next morning, the swelling that the person have, bodily swelling, and the pain is gonna go down. So these are simple home remedies that we can do to help our body, especially if you are going through pain. I know people are hooked on the medication, that your help is not gonna come from there. Okay, you don't want to get addicted, and that's why people gradually get into addiction. It's not good for you, and in the end, it's going to leave you with something. So these are simple home remedies. Please take notice of that and make use of it. Once again, my name is Church Girl. Please don't forget to subscribe right below and give your girl a thumbs up. Thank you for joining me for today. Bye-bye.